Hey y'all, so today we're at the Dollar Tree and we're gonna see what kind of cool things we can find. It's super quiet in here, that's why I'm kind of whispering y'all, but we're gonna see what we can find today. So they have cleaning products here. This is a bigger Dollar Tree, so as you can see they have dishwashing detergent, they have Dawn, let's see, yeah, they got all kinds, but I don't think I need none today. So this is something that I never really see anybody get, but like it's crossword puzzles, y'all. I have like crossword puzzles on my phone. Sudoku. If you know how to do Sudoku puzzles, comment below. They're pretty cool. I learned how to do them one time, and surprisingly, I still remember how to do it. You know what? I think I'm gonna get me a little Sudoku book. So y'all, it's a lady I follow on YouTube. I cannot think of her name, but I'm gonna put her YouTube name somewhere in this video. But literally everything she makes, she gets it from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. I can't remember which one, but y'all, it looks amazing. So this is some of the stuff. I don't know, I'm just not that creative. Like, hair is just my thing, but sis, oh my gosh, she does so good with creating stuff from the Dollar Tree. So they also got hand sanitizer. It's always good to have some hand soap, you know, because everybody spread germs. I ain't even gonna say kids, because it's some adults that just don't wash their hands. Girl, they got Dove soap here. That's the soap I use, y'all. I didn't know they had Dove soap here, but it's really, really gentle on your skin. Girl, I did not know they had Dove soap here. Girl. Oh, then they got some little slippers and socks. Look at this. Okay, so the beauty department done upgraded, y'all. They got hair grease, Ant Pro Style. This is the type of gel I used to use when my hair was out. Ooh, this is cute. Ooh, I wonder what these are. But they got picks, combs, tea tree oil, all kind of little hair bows and stuff. Look, y'all, you ain't even gotta go to Walmart. Come to the Dollar Tree. Get what you need. Look. I want one of these, but I don't like the way it look. They ain't got no more. I'm gonna go ahead and get me some elastic bands because I need them. Y'all, these little things, I love these little things. They're like little air fresheners. You shake them up. They smell like so good. This is the kind we have in our house right now. And the same thing. Trey thinks you can, well, I don't know if you can just let it sit and then it smells, but I always shake it up and it makes it smell like so much better. Like it activates it or something. Girl, you know I had to come down this aisle, girl. They got the little drug test, the ovulating test, and the pregnancy test. Everybody done got a pregnancy test from the Dollar Tree before, okay? And they work just as good as the other ones. I don't know, I didn't think about coming to the Dollar Tree. Child, when I took my pregnancy test and it came back positive, I should have came. Ooh, I need some of this, some hydrogen peroxide. Ooh, that's a big old bottle. Oh. I was like, wait, that's open. I'm still gonna get another one. But they got peroxide, alcohol. Girl, they got everything in here. This is what I really came for. I done about walked past them. I really came for these. Let's see how many in here. 10. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. I'm gonna get 2 of those. How many in here? 5. I think I'm just gonna get the double. So this is the big one, y'all. They got food in it. I love these pretzels, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab me some. But They got all kinds of food in here, y'all. Ooh, girl, popcorn. All kinds of food. For $1. And some change, okay? They got your condiments. They even got a little freezer section back there. Ooh. This a little preview. Ooh, they got french fries, girl. Ooh, cherry pot pie. Ooh, girl. Sausage and look at this, though. Sausage and gravy pot pie. I never had that before. Pancakes. First of all, I'm coming here when I need to go grocery shopping. Cause, child, to me, it seems like they got everything I need, everything I eat. But I forgot to show y'all these. They have silver, like real silverware. So I done got me 2 things of forks, cause literally we need some more forks. So they got forks, spoons, all of that, okay? So this is their glassware aisle, and if you can see, they have so many wine glasses. Y'all, the Dollar Tree has came all the way up. Like, look at this. Look at these plates. And these are like durable glass plates, girl. I am here for it. They got mugs, everything.